What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Hacker in the Shop. And in this video, I'm going to show you how important it is to not only focus on those large complex dents, but also those smaller detail dents, and how beneficial it is going to be for not only you, but your collision shop. So with precise tab placement and utilizing your shop light and your knockdowns, your GPR repairs are going to change dramatically. Check it out, guys. So as you can see here, we have a nice little crease on this fender. Nothing too major, but it is a crease nonetheless. So the first thing we're going to do is always follow the process. So we're going to go ahead and clean it, make sure it is clean, got any kind of contaminants off of the panel, and then we're just going to go ahead and check our temps. So we're sitting pretty good in here. It's about 80-85 degrees already in the building. Not much humidity or moisture, so basically what I will do is I will just flash the tab and the panel right before I go to stick my tab, just to be better safe than sorry. I'm going to go with a ice crease tab on this one. And the beauty of GPR and the magic of GPR is placing that tab directly in the center of that dent. Now if we're off to the side a little bit, all we're going to do is fold that dent over the crease. So we want to make sure that we place that tab perfectly in the center. So of course I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little flash my tab, just to make sure if there is any humidity or moisture in the panel that we get rid of that. Then we're going to go ahead and coat our tab a nice even bead, and then we're going to place that tab perfectly in the center. Now this is where it's crucial to have your shop light, because it's going to allow you to see where that center is. Now if you don't have a shop light, it's really hard to hit that dead center. Without the shop light you might miss to the right or the left. Once again, go ahead and check our temps before we make our pole. We're sitting in that 80-85 degree range, so that is perfect. And I'm going to go with the rubber lifter and crease feet on this, just to lock those crowns on the side to be able to reverse that damage. And of course, we're going to use our release solution to remove the glue and assess our pole. Now you can see that we have a nice, even, consistent high spot. There's no lows on the either side of that high spot, so we know that we placed that tab perfectly in the center. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to our knockdown work. So I'm going to start knocking down with the R4 and pivot tip paired up with the Black Swan. Now remember, less is more when you start doing your knockdown work. So you just want to use a lot of finesse. You don't want to be too aggressive. So lightly hitting that Black Swan and just slowly moving that high spot down. Next, I'm going to switch over to the Red Fire knockdown tip. And I'm going to use this tip throughout the rest of the repair. And I'm going to continue using finesse. I'm not going to be too aggressive like I said before, just lightly knocking down. And soon you will see that high spot start to dissipate back to its original position. So with one accurately placed tab and some knockdown work, we were able to repair this dent to a paintless repair. And once again guys, thank y'all so much for watching. For more content on GPR, head on over to www.holdapaint.com to better your GPR repairs. So guys, stay tuned for more Hacker in the Shop.